Hello everyone, this is no longer Tactical Airsoft. I changed the channel to Strategic Airsoft Division just because it sounded better, and honestly it was better than Tactical Airsoft. But anyway, a lot of news today. First of all, I got my gun back, and this is what you're seeing now. It's got a new electronic trigger system, the newest that ICS has, and also new battery stock on the back, so I gotta take the PEQ box off the front of it, if that's what it's called, I can't remember. But anyway, I've got a new helmet set up, a new chest set up. And today's game at Elite Ops Airsoft was a game I call Flag. Basically, we had to take a flag from the enemy team and hoist it up into the middle pole of on the right side of the field from where we started. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you all at the end.
Alrighty. Oh, nice.
So we're gonna take that flag and put it in their shooting drill?
No. We gotta take their flag and put it in, and raise it up in the middle. So we gotta push. Wait, we're taking their flag, right? Yeah. Okay, alright.
We gotta have some people back here to defend them.
Yeah. Hey, who's defending? Who's rushing? You guys defending? You guys want to? I don't really care.
I'll defend forward.
I'll
defend in the middle.
Yeah.
Where I can come back.
Yeah. We gotta watch middle though, somebody can push right through there. Yeah, this is middle. This is...
Okay, in the same spot as ours, but they're opposite. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's that way. Wait, we need to push that way then. We need to push that way.
Yeah, someone needs to push this way.
I'm watching right. I'm watching left. I'm watching left. You're clear. You're clear. Moving up. Hey. Let's go. I'm going for flag. Cover me. 3, 2, 1. Go. Hit. Friendly, come through. Flag's down up there. I grabbed it.
Is it?
Yep, we got it.
Hey, watch that right side. You have 3 over there. I got you.
Where are they?
We got the flag.
Do we get flag? Nice. See him. It's on the corner. Woo! That's damage. Where's our flag? Yeah.
Go behind.
Hey! He's right in that building! He's in that building! I got him pinned!
Back.
He's on that corner! He's on that corner! Hit! Where's flag? Where is it?
It's in there.
I got it. Let's go middle.
Watch out, there's somebody in here.
Hey, let's go. Hit! There, guys, let's go. Got it?
Yeah, but we gotta raise it here.
Over there?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Hey. All right, hey. Flag, you're on flag. Rush him, ready? Changing! Hey! Let's cut him off from the left. Let's go.
over there.
Who's got flag? Who's got flag? Who's got flag? Let's go, let's go. Push right, push right. Hit! Come on, let's go, bring the hammer down. Yeah! Let's go! Nice, that was nice.
And thank you all for watching this game that happened at Elite Ops Airsoft. I'll see you all in the next one.